Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here in the garden today, working with the missus, and we're taking a break from some of the house activities to clean up some of the raspberries that we planted in a previous video that you may have seen recently. Did a bunch of weeding, and this is not a perfect solution by any means, but we have a bunch of cardboard that we kind of wanted to get rid of, and it will keep down some of the weeds. It's obviously not perfect. The other ways that I've shown in previous videos you guys have probably seen a long time ago. It's much better if you get a full kind of covering of the weeds that you want to control with the cardboard, and then lay down your mulch and water and all this kind of stuff. But we're just making the best of what we have, so even though it's not going to cover everything perfectly, but it'll be better than nothing. And we're going to water this real quick, get the cardboard nice and wet, get the soil underneath nice and wet, and then we are going to add a bunch of the mulch from here to the top. So that is the plan. I'm going to water it, and then we'll get the mulch spread out on top, and I'll show it to you guys in a second. Everything's watered nice and neat now. We're going to start adding the mulch. So there we go. This is why I always say too much mulch is never enough. But yeah, we ran out of mulch. So there's only about maybe 3 inches or so, but I think that should be a great start. It should definitely help keep the weeds down and keep the moisture high in the soil. And the raspberries are doing great. There's a lot of new growth that you can see on several of them, actually most of them I would say. And even the ones that at first didn't look like they were doing so hot, like you know, over here, this guy that yellowed has a ton of new growth right at the top, so it's looking pretty good. The one in the end as well, everything's looking really pretty sharp. The little ones don't seem to have taken any kind of you know, beating. They look none the worse for wear pretty much, and some of them are actually, you know, seemingly thriving. So this mulch should hopefully help continue that trend, and we should have a lot more raspberries in the years to come. And yeah, if anybody is curious about the cardboard and the mulch, please do check out some of my older videos. I know I have a lot of new subscribers, and I also just want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed. I really appreciate it. And yeah, basically I have a lot of videos talking about the benefits of gardening with mulch and wood chips specifically, and yeah, basically any kind of compost that you can add to increase the fertility of the soil and increase the moisture retention and the nutrient content of the soil is going to be beneficial for your plants. So not only does it make it easier for weeding, but you know, it's basically going to be helping the plants grow as well. So it keeps the competition from the weeds down, and it gives them more nutrients. Obviously the cardboard will break down pretty quick. That's not really that much of a benefit, especially when it's sporadically placed like this, but we are still feeding 2 birds with 1 seed, because we're getting rid of some cardboard we don't need. It's going to help a little bit with the weeds, and then, you know, we'll obviously have to keep weeding it as time goes on. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. That's very greatly appreciated. And like I say, thank you everybody for your support and your comments. I try to answer everybody's comments. It does take me a little while sometimes, especially lately. It's been very busy, but I do appreciate them, and I do read them, and they do give me encouragement to keep going and to keep sharing my experiences with you. So hopefully everybody's enjoying their summer, and see you in another video soon. Bye.